Hey everyone, so as our Shiba Inu coin grows older and older, we have to look into what's happening with Shiba Inu right now. What's going on, everyone? Be sure to drop a like. Will Shiba Inu make you rich? That's what I'll be answering today, and meme coins have even made a name for themselves in the cryptocurrency market over the years. These assets are known for the meteoric rise to the top after gaining popularity over a period of time, usually from a flock of prominent investors, a determined group of retailers or celebrities. Typically, all meme coins start out as a joke, and it seems like Shiba Inu is actually becoming the next big thing. While Dogecoin is getting its support up and ready, Shiba Inu is actually getting some support for itself as well. Meme coins are heading anywhere in the future. If this has revealed one thing about these sets of assets, it's the fact that anyone can take interest in these assets solely because they're not branded as serious assets, and anyone can pick up on it. Jeff Bezos can pick up on it. Elon Musk can pick up on it. And what we can see has both traced their interest in Dogecoin to the asset's lack of structure. And this interested Dogecoin creators to position the asset as a big deal has someone made Dogecoin the coin for the people, as Musk calls it. And with the influence of retail traders of the market and the trend to dismantle bigger corporations from becoming widely adopted in 2021, think of GME, which is basically GameStop stocks, and AMC. Many market players are on the lookout for the new kid on the block, which could turn out to the next big thing in the long term. So think about it this way. We already have, for the stock market, we have GME, we have so many things where players and people have gathered together to stop and to stop the big short. Now, we don't have one yet for cryptocurrency. Dogecoin is still very small. It's at 40 billion. I don't see that as big. Shiba Inu, even smaller. And people will pick up on this. There's a lot of serious coins, and there's then meme coins with utilities. That's the advantage of Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Both have their own particular uses and use cases. Now, Dogecoin seems like it's caught on because it started as a joke and now people are taking it seriously. Kind of as a joke, but kind of real. The theory behind the rise of meme coins has been credited to the fact that they are less intimidating and more accessible simply because they're not marketed as seriously as other cryptocurrencies that they tend to create a huge wave in the market. And it's much easier to buy them just going on Robinhood, clicking buy, and having, I have now 50 Dogecoin. It's so simple. While it's possible the market could welcome more meme coins in the future, so we could be seeing another meme coin popping off, the competition is bound to increase. And whichever asset fails to keep up, and with Shiba Swap, we basically secure our spot for this year, making it grow even more. As far as sustaining demand is concerned, investors might risk losing greatly as trading volume is bound to crumble significantly. On the flip side, with big players like Elon Musk looking to develop Dogecoin going forward and even, probably tweeting about Shiba Inu in the future, meme coin could build a reputation of starting out as a random asset and find their relevance in the long run. And no coin has come even close to Shiba Inu right now. There have been coins, but they cannot come near where Shiba Inu is. Depending on internal and external interests recorded over time for meme coins, there is much potential as there are risks. Meme coins thrive on uncertainty and fall off the track for the same reason. And the most important thing here is Shiba Inu is still getting the mainstream adoption we all want to see. Webull now has SHIB on their list for crypto, all through it's not tradable. So would this confirm something? Would this indicate? And, he's saying soon to be trading. Nice. This is the way. I'm going to sell my stocks in there and buy more SHIB. Wait, not tradable. When? Soon. And, if they add it, this is a good positive indicator. Adding such a coin to just watch would spark the interest of investors. From what we can see so far, there's some great news incoming. But just seeing that Webull, has SHIB on the list for crypto definitely regains my confidence because Shiba Inu has so much growth and will have so much growth in the future because it still has to get those beautiful, juicy updates. Now, Bitcoin price regains 33K as Square confirms mainstream Bitcoin wallet plans. And if the Twitter CEO made his own thing, I think this tells you that the crypto market is pretty much big right now. Bitcoin rapidly recovers about 33,000 support as Jack Dorsey says Square will create a Bitcoin hardware wallet and a custody service. Now, Square is the next big thing we're all looking for. And the Twitter CEO knows that Bitcoin is the future. So they're making their own wallet and a custody service. Now we can see that this actually boosted up the price. Now this was a short boost, a big boost. With that, Jesse and I will listen and continue the conversation. And we set up a dedicated Twitter and GitHub account if we decide to build. We'll update this thread with more information when we're ready. We're doing it with Bitcoin. So we have decided to build a hardware wallet and service to make Bitcoin custody more mainstream. We'll continue to ask and answer questions in the open, and both Jack and Jesse know how much their money there is in crypto. So if we get such wallets, they'll probably be expanding to cryptocurrency wallets in the future. I think that's a really important thing, as this will bring the, they will take care of you not losing your funds, I'm guessing. So that's the most important thing. With the rebound fall announcement, Payment Gateway Square, which confirmed that they would be developing a mainstream cryptocurrency hardware wallet. So not only is a payment gateway, but they're making their own wallet, and this is huge. This is obviously a lot of money in crypto. We're doing it, said Twitter CEO and Square CEO Jack Dorsey. They responded to the post from the latter's hardware lead. The Grusker has also said that plans would introduce a service to make Bitcoin custody more mainstream, with further details still outstanding. And whales are scooping in. Whales are buying on this crypto dip. This showed, among other things, record numbers of new Bitcoin network entities, those now topping 50,000 daily. Whales, for their part, were also keen to scoop up the supply, a theory supported by popular statistician Willy Woo. So the whales are basically returning right now, buying in Shiba Inu and buying in Bitcoin. And that's what I find exciting. Now, a lot of them actually dropped the coins at its highest and are now buying back at cheap prices. And that's the way the market goes. As price grinds sideways bearish, coins are being scooped off the exchanges at a very bullish rate. And there's soon going to be no more Bitcoin at exchanges. Obviously, this is a good indicator. The latest sizing of withdrawals versus deposits are local highs at levels that signal a bottom. Whales are scooping. And soon there's going to not be enough Bitcoin to withdraw, which means exchanges will have to buy big amounts. So this means basically exchanges will have to buy for at least 3 million of these coins, or maybe to 20 million of Bitcoin, because there's not going to be enough volume. Simply put, you're going to want to withdraw Bitcoin, but there's no Bitcoin. Well, see what happens. People are holding. People are finally holding. But we can see the public offering announcement comes less than 2 months after bullish launch with 10 billion capitalization. And we could see that there's still a lot of things like bullish, and it's going public on a New York Stock Exchange. I think this clearly tells you there's a lot of money in here. The announced aspect clams comes less than 2 months after the launch of bullish, capitalizing with roughly 10 billion. So no one is talking about this, and I honestly think this news is just not seen as much. This is important for Shiba Inu. If this is true and it's really 10 billion, they will definitely be listing SHIB as well. But overall, this will increase the price as they will need to buy more Bitcoin. Now, Block 1 provided 164,000 Bitcoin, 10 billion, 100 million cash, and 20 million EOS tokens, which an additional funding around raised 300 million. It's unclear what exactly Bullish is offering in terms of products or services prior to going public, other than seemingly having billions of dollars to move around. So they have 10 billion in their basically wallets, and the firm's investor website includes a 19-minute video along with 2 notices of undercapitalization and public offering, and there's no other info on that. So this is most absurd crypto arc right now, and no one knows what this secret project is, but this is big. And these are some big companies starting up, going into crypto, because there's a lot of money here. US-based exchange Kraken has also hinted at going public soon, but has made no firm announcement at the time of publication. However, stablecoins-focused crypto company Circle said yesterday that it plans to go public in a $4.5 billion deal. So all of these companies going in public, going in for the stock investors to invest into them. But we could be seeing, that no sign of a breakout right now. This is only going to be temporary. We are seeing up and down, Bitcoin going down and up, but altcoin stall as Bitcoin drops. So we are waiting on Bitcoin right now, SHIB holders. And when that fixes itself, that's when we're going to be seeing that big increase. There's Bitcoin is basically going up and down right now on these few days. But as more people are stocking up on Bitcoin, Shiba Inu will get its shot. Shiba Inu will finally get its shot to show how much it can grow. Even with the relief fund we still have to sell off, it's still pretty much huge. How much do you think SHIB will go by the end of the year? Do let me know down in the comments below. I'm really interested in what you have to say. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, thank you for dropping a like.